Oh, hey, how you doing? Thanks for coming to CartsMD. And we have a wonderful video in store for you today. A lot of you have been asking me, I've had some customers ask to do comparison videos about the differences, or maybe the lack thereof, between the Club Car Precedent and the new Club Car Onward. I gotta say, if I'm being honest, there's not a lot of differences. In fact, there's only one. Really, it's the body. So, and I could show you a couple of different ways. You want to come in and take a look, we can get you to take a look here. First, we'll start with the front bumper. So, on the front bumper, you'll notice it looks nice and sleek and matched up here. If you was to look behind here, you see that tab that's not touching anything, it's not being used? Well, that's the same bumper that's on the Club Car Precedent. Here's one here. I've taken it off just so you can see it. This was the bumper that would normally be on there. It is on the Club Car Precedent, but I just wanted to point that out. It's the same stuff. Here, let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at the suspension in there. Notice your kingpin, your plates, your spring, tie rod end, and then come take a look at the Precedent. We're going to find it's the same stuff, right? Looks all the same. In fact, everything about it is the same, except for the body. Oh, and one other feature, the price. The price is a real big difference. From what I understand, these are selling for, starting out at $8,000, $9,000, some crazy number. Folks, you could just come in and get one that looks almost brand new. In fact, everything about it is brand new, except the price. And this is going to come with a 4-year warranty. All you got to do is give us a call at 833-CARTS-MD, and thank you for your time.